So today we're gonna learn a story of the hare and the tortoise. The hare and the tortoise. Okay, once upon a time there was a forest, and all the animals in the forest were gathering for a small get together. For a small get together, they are gathering, and suddenly in the get together there was a hare who was very proud. He बहुत proud ही था, and he was saying again the same thing that no one can beat me in the forest. इस forest में मुझे कोई भी beat नहीं कर सकता. There is no one who can beat me. Suddenly an elephant used to say, yes, I saw him running. मैंने उसे भागते हुए देखा. He runs very fast and there is literally no one who can beat him. जो उसे beat कर पाए, जो rabbit को यानी कि जो hare है इसे beat कर पाए. Then suddenly everyone listened the sound of laughing. सबने laughing की आवाज़ सुनी. Then everyone saw who was laughing. They saw that the tortoise was laughing. Suddenly he was laughing like ha 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 ha, something like that. Then suddenly the hare said in anger that why are you laughing at me? Then he said, no, I am not laughing at you. The hare suddenly said that then the hare said, oh, do you think that you can beat me? तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम मुझे हरा सकते हो? उसने बहुत proudly, बहुत गुस्से में बोला, what do you think of yourself? तुम्हें क्या लगता है तुम मुझे हरा सकते हो? Then the tortoise said, no, I am not saying something like this. मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, but I am not afraid of competing with you. मैं आपसे competition करने के लिए बिल्कुल नहीं डरता हूँ. I am ready for it. Then everyone was like, yay, there should be a competition between hare and the tortoise, and everyone was excited for the competition. Everyone was thinking that yes, the hare will definitely win. He is the cut-out winner. Everyone was very confident. Even everyone was overconfident that yes, only the hare will be the winner. Everyone was cheering up for the hare. Yay! Soon our day came. There was a very sunny day and everyone was like waiting for the competition. They all gathered at a place and start cheering for the hare. Hare के सब cheer करने लगते हैं and everyone was like, yay, hare will win. At the same time, the tortoise came. Tortoise आता है and they both met. दोनों एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं. Then what tortoise say? Tortoise क्या कहता है? May the best man win. Suddenly he said, yes, I will win because the best is me. मैं best हूँ and मैं ही जीतूँगा. So tortoise smile करते हुए चला जाता है. Then suddenly what happened? They both comes at the starting point. दोनों starting point में आते हैं. And then what happened? The race was almost about to start there. Everyone was thinking that now what will happen? Then what happened? When the monkey, when he shoots the gun and starts the race, when he gives a sign that the now race is start, then what happened? The hare runs very fastly. He just gone like in just a span of minute. He just gone from there. वो वहाँ से चला जाता है, भाग जाता है. He covers the way just in a couple of seconds में वो halfway cover कर लेता है. But at the same time, the tortoise was going slowly and slowly. He was going like slowly and slowly in the very slow speed. He was going down. And even the little snail was also much faster than tortoise. That much slow was the tortoise going. Every animal was laughing at him. सब animals उस पर हंस रहे थे. Ha 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 ha. ये देखो ये तो कितना slow जा रहा है. He is going very slow. He will definitely lose the competition. Then suddenly what happened? The rabbit, he was running very fast. Suddenly he stops and just turn back and see where the tortoise is. उसने सोचा मैं देखूं जरा tortoise कहाँ है. He saw the tortoise was very far away from him. बहुत दूर था. He thought, oh, I should take a nap एज when the tortoise will come to me, तब tortoise मेरे तक आएगा, then I will cover him up in just blink of second. एक blink of second में क्या करूँगा, मैं उसे cover up कर लूँगा. He thought to take a nap, a short nap. He go under a tree, tree के अंदर जाता है और ऐसे करके सो जाता है. He take a nap, slowly he came for a sleep, वो सो जाता है. Suddenly ये यहाँ पर हमारा जो rabbit है, ये hare है, वो सो रहा होता है. Suddenly the tortoise came. Tortoise देखता है, oh, the hare was sleeping, सो रहा है वो. The tortoise was very smart. Tortoise smart था, वो बहुत चुपचाप से वहाँ से चला गया, वो बहुत चुपचाप से वहाँ से निकल गया. And then what happened? जैसे ही वो जैसे ही हेयर की आँख खुली, ही लिसन, उसने सुना, क्या सुना? Then everyone was cheering for the tortoise. सब किसके लिए cheer कर रहे थे? tortoise के लिए. Everyone was saying, "Yay, go tortoise, go, go, go tortoise." Everyone was saying like this, and he was cut shocked. What happened? मैं इतनी देर कैसे सो गया? How can I sleep for that much time? That the tortoise was gonna win. Tortoise जीतने जा रहा है, मैं इतनी देर कैसे सो गया? How? Then he starts running. वो बहुत तेज भागने लगता है. He was starting running, but his disappointment, because the tortoise was already gone to the reaching point. Tortoise हमारा reaching point तक पहुँच गया था, and he saw that the tortoise won the race. Tortoise race जीत गया, and the tortoise wins the race. And what happened with the hare? Hare keeps crying, वो रोता रहा, and सिर्फ किस बात का दुख मनाता रहा कि मैं क्यों ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट हुआ और क्यों मैं नहीं भागता रहा, मैं क्यों सो गया. आपको पता है द व्हाट इज़ द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी? द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज़ दैट यू शुड नेवर बी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट. आपको कभी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होना चाहिए अपने स्किल्स पर. हमेशा ट्राई करते रहना चाहिए. यू नो ना, स्लो एंड स्टडी विंस द रेस. लाइक द tortoise was slow, but he was steady, and he at last wins the race. So don't be overconfident. Always have the patience, have the passion to achieve your goal. Okay.